Hi, this is just a quick tutorial on the new Google Sites and just an overview on how to navigate it in general. So you're seeing here that I'm in sites.google.com as the URL, and right now it's got this /new, however that's going to go away here pretty soon at some point. You can also access Google Sites by going to your Google Drive, clicking on New, and it should be as one of the apps, possibly going to More, and then you seeing the apps down there. So I'm in Google Sites right now, and I'm going to create a new site. So I'm just going to click the little red button there. And as it's loading, what's really lovely about Google Sites is that there are only 3 tabs of information that we need to worry about. So the very first tab is inserting, and that's for inserting content. So we can add any of the Google Docs that we have here from our Google Drive, some other Google apps here. We can also add embed information, including iframe code, upload images, and then inserting text boxes right here. The next one is pages. You'll notice I just have the home page right now. To add a page, I can just put in, let's say I'm going to do one on About Me. Click Done. It's going to take just a second to create and load. And then once it does, I should see it come right up here next to Home. And now I've got this About Me page. Now I can have parent and child pages as well. So if I want to click another page and click on, let's go with certifications. Done. And I'll wait for it just a second to create. It is going to add a third topic up here next to About Me when it creates, but I'm not really wanting 3 things up there on the top. So I'm going to just take it and just drag it right into About Me. And now I've got it as a subpage of About Me. Now you can create a direct subpage as well by just clicking on the 3 dots and then clicking Add Subpage if I want to do it there too. The final little tab is themes, and this is where you can get fun and artsy. You can click on any of the themes it has. Have yellow or green or blue. You can create a custom color here. There's also font style, so I don't have to have it as that one font. I can change it just a little bit by going with one of these other fonts instead. The other thing I can do is change this black background. Just click Change Image and then select. And then I've got a gallery, and there's not many here right now, but you can bring in images from other places. I think I'm just going to go with a lovely beach theme right now. Oh, that's pretty. Now I can actually create and add this header to any of the pages, a different header to each page. So right now that About Me still has the black background with the globe, and I can change that header as well. So I'm going to go back to certifications. The other thing you can do here is change your header type. So if I just want the certifications, or if I want to have it even larger or smaller. So there's a few different options you can have, and you can play around and have a lot of fun with themes. To insert content, I'm just going to click on the page and I'm going to put in a text box, and I'll say this is a list of my certifications. And maybe I'll put in Google Certified Educator Level 1. And I might even want to add a picture to that. And I can insert that image right there. But it's really quite simple as far as adding content to the page itself. If I wanted another text box, I can add another text box and maybe put in achievements. Spell it right. And I can put in some achievements as well right there. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is that you can color these backgrounds just a little bit. So here, I can make this actually kind of a green with a white, or I can go with the gray and the black. There's not much you can do, and you can add the image as well. There's not much you can do, but there are some little things that you can do to just add a little bit of pizzazz to each of the pages. And that's essentially how you create a Google site.